This might seem like a small problem, but almost everyone has experienced it, a broken zipper. It could be on your jacket, your bag, or even your favorite pair of jeans. And what do most people do? They replace the zipper, or worse, buy a whole new jacket or bag. But stop wasting your money on such a simple problem. Today, I'll show you a step-by-step method to fix a broken zipper easily using simple materials you already have at home. No special tools, no sewing skills. Just a clever and practical solution anyone can do. First, I'm going to fix a broken zipper on a jacket. In this case, the zipper track is made of plastic, while the zipper head is metal. The problem is that the zipper won't close properly. The solution is actually very simple. Place a tissue behind the zipper head, then spray it with WD-40. This lubricant works great for cleaning and restoring metal parts, especially zipper heads that may have rusted over time. Wipe off any remaining WD-40 from the zipper head using a tissue to keep your jacket clean. Now, take a closer look at the zipper head. It's a bit loose since this jacket has been used for quite a while, which is completely normal. To fix it, gently press the zipper head with a pair of pliers until it returns to its original shape. From which country are you watching this video? Write it down in the comments to let me know. I'm really glad to know that we can connect with each other from all around the world. After tightening the zipper head with pliers and restoring its shape, spray WD-40 on the zipper head once again. This step helps to maximize the repair result and allows the zipper to move more smoothly. Look at the result. The zipper now works perfectly and closes tightly without any gaps. Truly an amazing outcome. Second, I'll show you step by step how to fix a zipper head that has come off its track. Here, I have a pair of pants with the zipper head detached from one of its tracks. This kind of problem usually happens when the pants are old, causing the zipper head to come off. To fix it, take a flathead screwdriver or any strong, flat tool. Gently pry open the zipper head just a little to make it easier to insert the zipper track back inside. Do this carefully to avoid breaking the zipper head. Next, insert the loose zipper track back into the zipper head. Make sure the zipper head is in an open position and pushed all the way in. Then, press the zipper head back into shape using pliers so it fits tightly again and the zipper works smoothly as before. As the final step, spray some WD-40 on the zipper track and the zipper head. Since both parts are made of metal, using WD-40 helps protect them from rust and wear. This will make your zipper glide smoothly and last much longer. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our community today. We've got plenty of other creative tips and ideas coming your way. Give this video a like if you found it helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. You never know, this simple trick might come in handy for them someday. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and see you in the next video.